Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device version and free space so the install doesn't fail. This avoids mid-download stops. Once done, open the Google Play Store or App Store and type Gboard in the search bar. Make sure you pick the official app from Google LLC. Tap Install or Get and watch for the progress indicator. If you're on cellular, consider switching to Wi-Fi to prevent data overages. After installation completes, tap Open to begin setup. You now enable Gboard in system settings so apps can use it. This is essential. First, open the Gboard app to configure languages, themes, and typing preferences. This speeds later use. Then navigate to Settings right arrow System right arrow Languages and input right arrow Virtual Keyboard Android or Settings right arrow General right arrow Keyboard iOS and tap Manage Keyboards. Turn on Gboard and confirm the permission prompts. Finally, select Gboard as your default keyboard so it appears automatically when you type. You finish by tailoring Gboard to your workflow. Enable glide typing, voice input, autocorrect strength, and the clipboard so you get faster typing and smarter suggestions. Once customized, test it in messages or notes to confirm layouts and languages switch correctly. If the keyboard fails to show, restart the device to reset input services. If crashes persist, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall the app. Also make sure your OS is updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.